Yo, wait, guys, hold up. We forgot the intro. Alright, guys, so the reason why I'm dressed different in that other video is mainly because...
Just start the video already, damn.
Fine. Alright, y'all, so it's day 2. We in Japan, obviously. Gotta grab the coffee, bro. As you guys know, I got the Naruto pouch. I'm trying to, look at this one right here. Bada bing, bada boom, bro. Okay. Yeah, I just had to like get the fucking thing. Like, cause you know. Alright, so where we going, Nick?
Bro, we going to Shibuya Crossing, bro. Probably takes a few pics. Then we're going to Shibuya Parco Mall when it opens up.
Yeah, it's gonna be bits, boy. We got the bits, yeah.
You know,
Modelo, man. Yo,
Diamond.
Keep my fit.
Boy, David came out clean, bro. Okay, hold up. Let me get it. Yo, the Air Maxes, bro. What you got in the earpiece, man? Let me see what the earpiece.
Takashi Murakami,
Okay.
I know.
That boy Johnny over there looking hard. Look at that. Oh,
I know, bro. He looking like a...
I look like a native.
Actual Asian. No,
like a native.
Oh, yeah. This shit fun. Nah, you good. Alright, guys. We got our breakfast. We ended up stopping. Waiting for Nick over there. And, yeah, we got the street. So, this is the breakfast spot. It was not that expensive, honestly, but you know, this is anyway, yeah, I'm gonna eat.
Oh, I'm thinking Tokyo.
Yeah.
But like, I know.
Yeah, Japan Rail Cafe. This is
Tokyo Station.
Tokyo. I think it is. Yeah.
Those are lockers.
Yeah.
So we put our stuff. Like, it's actually very.
Niku.
Yo, that's so cool. Thank you, someone like your boss. You
Yeah.
cannot say that.
Yeah.
No, I gotta record. Yeah.
Video. Y'all know we like that Eva. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I got the Sukiya card. Get out. I got the Sukiya card, bro. Has my name on it. I already know. Yep. Gas. And we're gonna head to Shibuya right now. So yeah. Alright, so guys, where we at, boys?
Bro, we're in Shibuya right now. Just got off the JR line.
Yeah, bro, we just got off the train. It was great. I know, it actually just felt good.
That monorail ride was actually kind of
yeah, it was pretty smooth. I'm not gonna cap.
Yeah.
Not gonna cap. Alright, well, let's move on to this next. I know, right? Shibuya.
Nah. Here we go. I want to go to the observatory.
Oh, okay, bet. Okay, guys. Shibuya, bro. Here, I do like a TikTok, bro. Johnny, what do you think, bro?
This is a beautiful place. I'm not even leaving out. It's just cool as hell.
Yeah, no, right? Alright, so we get some Makimo.
I'm trying to get that Makimo or Pachita right there.
Ganbatte.
Alrighty.
Alright, yep, ready for
Let's
this.
do it. Let's pray.
Alright. What did he get? Did you get Denji?
I got Denji.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay, you actually got a good one.
Okay, I got my god.
You got the
Wait.
biggest one.
Open it up. Open it up.
He got the biggest one.
How do you open this? Oh.
Oh, there's a little. Yeah, right here.
Good job.
Yeah. Flip it up.
Bro, this shit was so funny. You couldn't open it.
God.
On both sides, yeah, there you go. Yo, he got a Denji, yo. Alright guys, so we're at the mall. And we went through that whole entire thing over there. There's a bathing ape store.
It's a bait.
And then yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. Wait, Nick. What's that? Do you have to guess the Pokemon?
That's cool.
Holy shit. Alright. Yeah. Oh my god, the Snorlax. I got him on my leg, bro.
My leg.
And start screaming it. Nah, that would be funny though. Yo, that's crazy. He said you had no drip, Johnny. How do you feel about that?
Pommy.
Yo, should I do me next? I'm gonna do me next. Alright guys, we're in the Capcom store with Ryu. There's Street Fighter 6 up there, yo. That's crazy. They got like a lot of stuff. Alright guys, we're waiting for the jump store now. We got Demon Slayer on the wall. We got the Niku Palu. We got Johnny. You can say your last name. Bunai. Alright.
Okay. So we're at a sushi
Time.
Sushi time, boys. Got our ticket. We're waiting online. Gonna sit at the counter. Should be good.
Number 39, bro.
Oishiso. Should be good.
Oishi. Alright guys, we at the sushi place.
Yeah.
Get to order, bro. No cap. Your boy. Yeah, we got the sushi boys.
It's okay. This one's mine.
Yo guys, I'm trying to sea urchin, bro.
Sea urchin, okay. You can just grab it with your hands if you want, bro. Oh, he went full commando with the chopsticks. How is it?
Oishi.
Alright, it's good, it's good.
That's pretty good.
Some good stuff. Alright.
So I went to Mr. Tokyo to get a frame of reference.
That's like a, what's like an American chain?
Yeah, it's an American
chain.
sushi chain.
Sushi chain, yeah.
And I have to say, that place fucking sucks.
Compared to this?
Oh my god.
So compared to this, is no contest, honestly.
Exactly.
Exactly.
This place
Okay.
is amazing.
This tastes like real
Japanese
sushi. Yeah, it tastes real.
It's like real fish.
Even the pickled ginger just, oh my gosh, bro. I can't describe it.
It's so good. It's so good.
That's crazy. I personally agree. Not gonna lie. Bro, drinking that matcha. Yo, guys, we just got done eating the sushi, bruh. Shit look gas.
Bro, look at the view, man.
It's crazy.
Yo, you know what would be kind of hard? You take a picture.
I know, bruh. Yeah, it's crazy.
It's crazy. This is wild. Well, let's see actually.
Yo, we got some beer. Johnny, you scared the shit out of me, dude. Johnny, take a drink.
You got the Guinness?
Yeah, take a drink. I know, right? Yeah, it was a video. Yeah, it is.
You want a picture right there?
Yes. Yeah. What's up, y'all? So what we doing now? We already had our first part of the day.
Yep. We did so much today, bro, in Shibuya.
I know.
It's crazy.
Shibuya is crazy. We gotta go back to Shibuya though. But we're going to Daikoku.
Daikoku, bro.
For those of you who know what Daikoku is.
Alright, how many RX-7s do you think is gonna be there?
Like
FDs? FCs?
8, 9, 10. Now I'm playing. I don't know. The 7-Eleven.
It's a lot more quieter than the city in, you know, like Tokyo.
Yeah.
Like Chuo and all that. But it's kind of nice. Not gonna lie. Small, quaint city. That kid just shouted, "Black kid, black kid, black kid."
Shut up. He did not.
He did. He pointed, bro.
Oh shit, he right there. Oh shit. So yeah. Shout out to you. But yeah, so that's how we're gonna get to Daikoku.
Oh, that thing looks nice.
I knew I saw something, bro. I was like, what the fuck? It's like my friend's gonna be a little bit like that. The Lexus right there.
I don't know if people are gonna park here or not. That's why I keep it cool.
So yeah, you can get a woman.
I want to pull for women. Japanese women.
Shut up and take my.
Ooh, is there a terrace?
Yo, this is bad.
What if you climbed up there and got it? I actually know, I probably would have That's a great view. Great view. Very beautiful view.
By the way, if you hear that siren, it basically means everything's getting shut down. So yeah.
Sound like shit for like 3K RPM. You can put your window down if you want.
out for sure. Like especially. As
Yeah,
a
and plus
Especially
like
y'all.
you're more appealing than the regular Japanese person to them because they're.
I've never seen a black guy.
That's me. We were talking about that.
No, but for sure, like
is
they
true.
for sure like foreigners more than locals. Like
Really?
the local guys.
For
Yeah,
real?
that's what I'm saying. So it's easier to get their attention.
So
like,
I got a question. If I walk into a Japanese girl right now,
you're giving him
and like
You
talk
whiz
to
the
her,
fuck
Don't
out
give
of
him
her.
hope. Please don't give
you
him
whiz
hope.
the fuck
Aaron.
out of
Don't
her.
do it.
Nah, I mean,
Japanese riz, right?
you gotta like.
God. Yeah, I'm about to do this shit. Yo.
I can't.
All right, guys. So Aaron, aka Chaser guy, dropped us off in Yokohama. We're in Chinatown right now. So yeah, it's pretty lit. Not gonna lie. So.
It's a hand massage place.
Guys, we are in Chinatown right now. This is cool. Wait, did this again?
Yeah, they do.
How do you know? How does every place have a Chinatown? I just realized that. Because we're grimy, man. We don't have Chinatowns over here. Rock Hill, Chinatown. Chinatown, Rock Hill. Yeah, this is good. We got the pork buns, bro. How is the pork bun? Your gas. Alright, let's go.
Is it good?
Pretty ass.
Like I was telling Johnny, bro. This should hold us over to get back to Tokyo.
Start at the bottom, then get to the top. Even while rich, I'm still holding the Glock. Not wasting my time to 10 in the off.